Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with the Mindy Eggen collection, that is the classic road legends, and there is one of the dies create a speedometer. So I'm gonna make a masculine card because I always find hard to make my masculine card, but this collection is absolutely perfect for that. Now I think I'm missing a die, a small die, but I'll find it in a minute. So I die cut that decorative element in silver, then the actual speedometer in black. You can see the numbers. There is, yeah, this die that I'm gonna find in a minute, that I cut a small circle. And then there is that a smaller circle in I cut in teal cardstock. My little harrow, what do you call it? The little harrow in red. I found that die finally, and that bit's in yellow, another decorative place where you can actually stamp your or attach your sentiment. So I think we got almost all the element. I'm missing the backing for my speedometer, so I die cut in silver, and then I use one of my circle die from my stash to cut a bigger white circle because I wanted a bit of border as well. I'm using this lovely embossing folder to create a square panel. My card is going to be square, and just attach it with some glue in 5x5 panel. That means I leave a little bit of border because I cut my emboss panel a bit smaller, and then the emboss panel is actually die cut in this matte silver cardstock. Now I'm gonna using this another I've got another couple of circles from my stash that I'm gonna use because I want more layers. It's not completely up to you. It's not like, but I just wanted more layers. So there you go. I've got my background. Look how nice is that already. So I'm just laying now everything together on my circle. Oh yes, sorry, I die cut the bigger circle in silver, the bigger one. So I've got a silver border, and then the inside one from the die in white. So it's the numbers are more visible. There you go. See, it'll come together very easily. Now this one I cut it double so I can layer together. I already layer some together, so it's a bit more sturdy. There you go. I don't know which card is actually this one. I'm not an expert in a classic card, but I'm sure Mindy is. That's why she created this fun design. Now I'm gonna layer my circle. So the little yellow one is from my die, more from my set, and the other one as well. So those two are extra. Now I'm gonna center them the arrow things. You can make it easily an interactive card if you want to. Maybe next time I'll make it interactive, so where the speedometer can move. There you go. Gonna attach that, and this time I'm not going to, because this card is for a gentleman that is gonna be 75. So I'm just gonna put my numbers correctly, my speedometer correctly to the 75. Now I put a bit of tape there so they can dry flat. Now I'm attaching my larger circle in this one part of the set in the center, and now my arrow things end up pointing at 75, between 78, so it would be perfect for his birthday. I'm sure he's gonna notice. he's, he's extremely sharp man. There you go. And now I'm gonna glue my decorative element under, like that. There you go. I'm gonna put something on top to dry everything flat. Meanwhile, I'm gonna create my sentiment. This one is part again from the collection. Is a great sentiment set that I'm gonna use for a lot of different type of cards as well, because it's very versatile. It's got Father's Day as well, but in this case I'm gonna use the word classic. There is a happy birthday as well. I think of a wonderful day. I don't remember exactly what he said, everything, but I'm just gonna use the word classic. There you go. Done. Super easy. And now I'm just gonna glue that directly on my speedometer. Now put it a bit low on the lower section, because I want to add my own custom message on the top. There you go. Let's remove the tape. This one is a very low tack tape, and I attach to my hands to make sure it's even less tacky. There you go. And now I'm using my label maker to create my own sentiment one. I already writing down. I'm just gonna print it, and it says, "You're not old, you are a," and then classic is gonna be the rest of the the sentence. So you're not old, you are a classic. And I'm just gonna attach my label to a piece of cardstock, so it's nice and sturdy. So I'm using some leftover cardstock I had. This one is pretty thick, so it will be a nice sturdy sentiment. So I'm just gonna attach it on the straight line on the top, stick it down. There is another, yeah, I'm gonna detach the excess, and think I'm gonna use my my little T-Moles cutter. I love this little cutter, it's so nice, just to do a precise. If I didn't do correctly, I can correct it after. There you go. Perfect. Let's get rid of the excess on the side as well. And that's it. My customs sentiment is done. I love my label machine. Oh right, yes, I'm matting in teal as well, so it's a bit more stand out a bit more against the yellow. And again, I'm gonna use the T-Moles cut, and that's it. Love it. Perfect. and it looks like it's just, I stamp it, more or less. There you go. So this card came out rather quickly, I have to tell you the truth. So this one is an extra bit that I wanted to, I die cut because I wanted some kind of decorative element beside my speedometer as well. Sorry about the focus, it's focused on the top of my cutter. So I'm just gonna attach them on the side like that. And I've been very clever this time and use the and use my tea ruler. There you go. So I've got an extra little element on my card. There you go, touch that as well. I don't remember if I pop up my center or not. I think I did. This one is a circle of foam, tin foam. So I'm just gonna attach it in the center. There you go. So I've got a little bit dimension. You can go bigger, but you know, it's easy to mail if it's not too big. There you go. Am I center it? I don't think I did. I think it's a bit too low. Maybe try again. Try again. And yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm pressing down and that's it. And the card is done. This one was really fun to make and pretty easy as well. You can customize with the birthday you want between the numbers. But thank you so much for watching, and I will list the collection below. And have a lovely rest of the day. See you next time. Bye.